Hey, hey, hey! It's me, Peter Griffin. So I was sitting on the couch eating a taco the size of a small car and thinking about stuff like what actually keeps us alive. Which organ pumps blood in our body? Is it the brain? The lungs? The heart? The liver? I mean, the brain's in charge of everything, right? But the heart is the one that's really doing the pushing, squeezing blood like it's trying to get out of a vending machine. So the heart pumps blood. But here's a question. If the heart stopped, would we really notice right away, or would the brain try to be the hero and tell the heart what to do? Can an organ bully other organs into working harder? And plants, those lazy green things outside that I accidentally water with beer sometimes, how do they make food? Is it respiration, photosynthesis, digestion, or germination? They don't have mouths, so I assume digestion was out. They're using sunlight like a solar-powered vending machine, photosynthesis. But it makes me wonder, if plants could choose their own diet, would they pick sunlight or a nice cheeseburger? What would a plant craving feel like? Another one. What gas do we need to breathe? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, or hydrogen? 99% of us don't want carbon dioxide in our lungs. That's what plants need. So oxygen, obviously. But here's a thought. If we gave plants all the oxygen and took their carbon dioxide, would they be like, hey, thanks? Or more like, dude, chill, we need balance? How would the world change if we could trade gases like baseball cards? What force pulls things toward Earth? Magnetism, friction, gravity, or energy? Gravity, the invisible hand that makes me fall off chairs when I'm too excited about TV. But why is gravity the same everywhere? Why isn't it stronger when I try to jump onto the roof to impress Lois? Last one, which is a renewable resource, coal, petrol, sunlight, or natural gas. Sunlight, buddy. It doesn't run out unless the sun decides to clock out. But what if we could store sunlight forever? Would people still complain about cloudy days? And would I finally have enough energy to never leave the couch? So yeah, answers: heart, photosynthesis, oxygen, gravity, and sunlight. But the real mystery, why do I always get hungry right after answering science questions? Anyone else?